Hello, today we solve one linear differential equation of second order. How will you solve this linear differential equation of second order? So we use a method of solution by change of dependent variable, that is a removal of first order derivative. So by this method, first we have to compare this linear equation with general form of linear differential equation, which is d2y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equal to r. On comparing with general form, we get p is equal to minus 4x, q is equal to 4x square and r is equal to x e raised to x square. Now we know that y is equal to uv is the solution of this equation. So first we find u by the formula u is equal to e raised to minus 1 by 2 integration p dx. E raised to minus 1 by 2 integration minus 4x dx. So we get e raised to integration 2x dx. So we know the integration of x is x square by 2. Therefore, u is equal to e raised to x square. We get u. Now we have to find v, because y is equal to uv is the solution of this differential equation. So to finding out v, we have to first find out q1, which is equal to q minus 1 by 4 p square minus 1 by 2 dp by dx. What is q? 4x square minus 1 by 4 minus 4x bracket square minus 1 by 2 dp by dx. That is derivative of p with respect to x. So what is derivative of p? So minus 4 is the derivative of p with respect to x. So 4x square plus minus 1 by 4 16x square plus 2. 4x square minus 4x square plus 2, we get q1 is equal to 2. Now we have to find out r1. r1 is equal to r upon u. What is r? X into e raised to x square upon e raised to x square. So cancelling e raised to x square, we get r1 is equal to x. We have d2v by dx square plus q1v is equal to r1. Putting values of q1 and r1, we get d2v by dx square plus 2 into v is equal to x. Now this is a linear differential equation of second order with constant coefficient, and we know how to solve such kind of differential equation. Here this equation is non-homogeneous, so we have to find complementary function as well as particular integral. To find complementary function, consider auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is d square plus 2 into v is equal to 0. d square plus 2 is equal to 0. That is d square is equal to minus 2. We get d is equal to plus minus root I. Solution of this quadratic equation is a complex number, so complementary function, we write complementary function such as c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x. Now we have to find particular integral. Particular integral is equal to 1 upon d square plus 2 into x. We know how to find this particular integral. So in the denominator we can do as a common, and now expanding this 1 upon 1 plus d square upon 2. On expanding this we get 1 upon 2 into 1 minus d square by 2 plus d raised to 4 by 4 dot 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 into x. 1 by 2 into x minus d square. D square, it is nothing but second derivative with respect to x. So derivative of x with respect to x is 1 and second order derivative of x with respect to x is 0. So after second order derivative, all order derivatives are 0. So we get pi is equal to x by 2. Now solution of this linear differential equation of second order with constant coefficient is v is equal to cf plus pi. So v is equal to cf plus pi. Cf is c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x plus x by 2. Now we get value of u as well as value of v. So final solution, that is complete solution of given differential equation, is y is equal to value of u is e raised to x square into v is equal to c1 cos root 2x plus c2 sin root 2x plus x by